In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam settings. Can't access Steam settings. If you've been trying to open Steam settings and nothing happens, or the options are grayed out. Don't worry, let's walk through clear fixes you can follow right now. First, make sure you are actually using the Steam desktop client and that you are signed in. Steam settings only live inside the desktop application, not on the website. So open the Steam app on your computer and confirm you are logged in with your account. Once that's set, try opening the settings again from the top left Steam menu. If the settings window still won't appear, give the client a quick restart. Close Steam from the Steam menu by choosing Exit. Wait a few moments to let it shut down fully. Then launch it again. A simple restart often clears minor glitches that block the settings window from opening. If restarting doesn't help, completely end all Steam processes and relaunch. Open your system's task manager. Look under Processes and End Task for anything related to Steam. This includes the main Steam process and any helper or web helper processes. This ensures nothing is stuck in the background after you've ended them all. Open Steam again and try the settings. If your settings look grayed out or certain options are missing, you might be in Family View. Family View is a parental control mode that hides parts of the app. Look for a Family View indicator in the client. To restore full access, exit Family View using your secure PIN and return to the standard view. Once it's off, your settings should be available again. Still stuck? It's possible some Steam files are corrupted. Reinstalling Steam can repair those without affecting your installed games if you keep your library folder in the same place. Download the latest Steam installer from the official website. Uninstall Steam from your computer, then run the new installer and point it to your existing Steam folder when prompted. Your game content should remain intact, but you'll sign in again after the reinstall. If you keep a custom library location, make a quick note of it beforehand, and consider backing up your Steam apps folder just to be safe. That's it. Thanks for watching.